learning lesson. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from your NCERT Geography textbook. So, as you can see some images, guess which lesson we are going to do today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn Chapter 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So, why do we find a variety of vegetation around us? On which factors growth of vegetation mostly depends? So, there is a close relation between height of land and the characters of vegetation. The growth of vegetation mostly depends on. So, as you can see over here, the vegetation mostly depends on temperature, moisture, slope, thickness of fern, and sunlight. So, these are the characteristics on which the vegetation is dependent. So, over here now, do you find any difference between plant on hilly region, desert and plains? So, is there any difference between the plants which we see on big mountains and which we see on plains? So, is there any difference between plants from bottom to top of Himalayas? So, now over here, let's see what is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation of plant is natural growth of plant life or flora from the smallest grass to the tallest tree is known as a natural vegetation. The second point is the natural vegetation grows naturally, especially without any interference of human beings. So here are 2 points which defines what is actually natural vegetation. So let's move ahead. Now let's see what are the types of natural vegetation. So over here, as you can see, the first type is forest. Then we have grassland. Then we have shrubs. So over here, let's see what is forest. Forest grows where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors can be dense or open. So forests are of 2 types. The first forest is which is very dense, and the second forest is which is quite open. Means there are not so many trees at a time. So the second is grassland. Now what is grassland? Grassland grows in the region of moderate rain. Grassland grows where there is a moderate rain. Shrubs. Shrubs are thorny bushes and shrubs grow in the dry region. So here we have learned shrubs grow in dry region. Now let's move ahead. So now as we have learned what is natural vegetation, so let's see now their types. So there are in forest is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, moderate vegetation and coniferous trees. Learned about forest grows depending upon the rainfall, and it divides forest into dense forest or open forest. Grassland grows in moderate rain. Shrubs grow in dry region. So, for learning ahead, stay tuned to our channel.